Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel where I release and upload tech videos and any Windows issues, any kind of solution. Also all the latest phone, latest technology, new phones. I'll do the unboxing and reviews as well and tell you guys what's inside the box and what comes with it and all the details, the maximum I can provide you. So today we have, as you can see, the latest Galaxy A16 5G, which A series of Samsung is the best series. All their phones are very nice and very glossy and very like slim and smart and very classy, I would say, in my opinion. So in this video I'm just gonna do the unboxing, and in my next video I'm gonna also have my old Samsung A22. In my next video I'm gonna be moving everything from my old phone to new phone, and I'm going to tell you in the video how you can do exactly the same by not losing any kind of your personal or work data on your old phone. And it's very easy. I'll cover it in my next video, so make sure you stay tuned and press the bell icon on my YouTube channel so you will keep up to date on all the latest videos. So let's begin the video. So I'm gonna do the take off the first, open the box. So we have this little Samsung packaging here. I'm gonna tell you. So there's a SIM jack where you can open the SIM and insert your SIM. So here, when you open this, Samsung usually comes with not providing any more adapters, but only cables. So as you expected from this as well, comes with a USB-C cable, which is a nice cable and nice material. If I can show you from the here video, USB-C cable, very nice, very, I think it's 1 meter, the standard one comes with it. It's nice cable. Put it here. Normal booklets with user manual and all the kind of instruction if you are a new user or if you wanna learn something. So it's a quick start, so you can read it. I don't really, I'm sure nobody else does well. So let's go to our main package, which is our phone. Okay, let's take this out, put this away. Nicely wrapped, nice and secure. Let's do the so as you can see from the shining of the phone, the moment I just took this phone out, you can see the lighting goes everywhere, the reflection going everywhere, because like I said, it's very nice and very classy phone. It's very impressive. It comes with 3 cameras, as you can see, very nice and shiny with 1 flash. I'm just gonna try this. So on a side we have a very nice squares sides as well, with it's not very shiny, it's like a brushed titanium kind of things. And on the left side you will find a same, and I'll open you and show you if it comes with a, I think this one allows you to add a memory card as well as, you know, all the Samsung phone, but I'm going to tell you and show you. On the bottom we have speaker, which is the new design, and the old design are gone on this phone. As you can see, it's dot, so that's gone now. We have a speaker line, and this is a sensor on it, and I think that's a microphone. On the other side we have a power button, and I think this is a fingerprint as well. Volume button up and down. From the top we have NFC, and the front is nice and standard and very solid as usual. So as you can see, it's very nice. Let's turn on this phone. I'm really impressed by the back, I'm not gonna lie. I'm really like the back of this time. I'm sure it's not fingerprints one. Yeah, as you can see, it's not leaving any marks or anything like that, but it's very nice. I think it's not glass. If you can hear from the sound, it's not glass, it's mixed. I would say it's a plastic sheet, but it's a really nice shiny plastic sheet, which maybe you can tell in the video that maybe it's the glass, that's why the shine is like that. But no, it's a plastic sheet they use. Very nice. So cameras are solid, The cameras are coming 3 cameras. I think I'll just turn this on and show you what's inside and what comes inside, and show you the quick review of the camera. To be honest, the size wise, while it's turning on, let me talk about size wise. So that's my old phone. It's identical. I would say it's a bit small, looks like. Let me compare with my A22 Galaxy. As you can see from the top, it's a little bit smaller. From the bottom, I'm just gonna show you my A22 is a bit bigger, or you can say it's because of the round shape a bit. That's why it looks a bit bigger, but yeah, it is a bit bigger. But this is slimmer and this is square, so the feel of this new phone is much better than this my old phone. The cameras as well, huge difference. That's like maybe I think I used like 2-3 years now, so the back is like that. So this is very nice. So okay, it's turned on now. Let's start. You have to select your country. So here is the option if you have your old phone like I have, so you can select from here and add it from now, copy all the data. You can do here, or you can do it later on as well. It's no problem. It's not gonna give you any option that you cannot do later on. You can do. It's just like if you're turning it on, so why not just do it now. Getting your phone ready, this may take a few minutes, as is just mentioned there, so just to make us aware. So it brought us to the page again. Again, you have a option again. You want to copy apps and data, or like using your Google account or more, you can do now, or you can do later on. I would say do not copy right now. I will do later on, definitely. So you can enter your email ID right now. Otherwise, skip now. So you can select. I know everybody use Google, so if you use any other of the search engines, you can select that, but I'm just going with Google. You can set up any PIN, password, fingerprints, face ID. I'm just going to skip now. So if you have a Samsung account, if you have a backup over there, you can enter the email ID or password of that account. If not, so you can click on forget, set up later in settings. Skip again. You can skip, agree. So which you want, light or dark? I usually go for the light one. You all set up. Finish. I think it's gonna load. We have set up. So yeah, it's loading now. So that's the beautiful setup. As you know, Samsung phones are always comes with a standard wallpaper and standard settings like weather, search engine, and the apps. But you can swipe up this exact same thing for the menu. Swipe one time, show the menu again, it will go away. Then it start loading few things, automatically installing apps like already in there. So let's go from this top. If you swipe down, you will see this brightness and the other menu. If you swipe further down, you will see, as you know, if you're a Samsung user, you know that you will get this menu. Everything is the same. You can add more here if you want. You have mobile data, mobile hotspot, power saving, and scan. Device control, you can click there. Control will appear here later on when the apps are downloaded fully. So I just also want to add about that's the very nice, and as you can see, very fast and very quick. The response of this phone, it's downloading apps now. The response is really, I'm sure it's because new as well, and they keep increasing the speed and specs as well, and the opening speed is very rapid. Before, old phones are take sometimes a bit time, but this is very quick. The Play Store and camera very, so just want to show you, if I open the camera on this phone, it takes some time and it's like a freezing now. That's like happened with time in Samsung. And here same thing, when you swipe left it shows you the news and everything. Once I'm signed in here, it's gonna start showing same thing. Swipe up, I'm just gonna Galaxy, here it says store, here it says Galaxy Store. I think I'm on the older version of the phone. If I open the app, here it's straight away. Here this takes a bit time to load the apps and all those kind of things. I have to update the Galaxy Store. The old phone is like a bit freezing and everything. That's why I got the new one. So I'm just getting annoyed with this one now. So this one is like 2-3 years old. I would say 3 years old. This one is new one, so it's installing all the things now. So yeah, like that's the kind of I'm sure you have an idea. The price for this phone, just to mention, is that in US dollar is like nearly about $200. On different countries it's different, and but I think it's really worth what you're getting and the kind of cameras and everything. I'm just gonna do a quick camera review as well here, the functions and everything. When you open the camera here, you will see portrait, photos, video and more. When you click more, you will see all these nice options. You have pro version, you have panorama, food, which is nice, night, macro, which is like small things, small insects you want to take pictures. This is really new. Slow motion and hyperlapse. So it's like so many options. You cannot even get half of these options in the latest iPhone as well. You're getting in this Samsung, and you can add from here. You can drag and drop wherever you want to. You can add here for fast response. Save video, and you have option to record video in which dimension you want to, and you have option look is HD, full HD resolution, and you which size you want to. You can add filters over here. You have settings, and when you go in settings, you can turn on high efficiency video or all the kind of like grid lines, shooting methods. So like these options you're getting in this one. And on photo, when you capture, it's not taking that long. You have 360 wide angle camera. That's why we have 3 cameras. We have wide angle, which is really good, smooth. You have normal camera 1x and then 2x. Further you can zoom as well up until 10x, so which is really, I would say, is really good. Let's take a picture. It's really not bad. I know it's blurry, but according to this price, what you're getting is not bad. So yeah, any other thing you need to know in this phone, I mentioned the price, and everything else is pretty much same. The settings, the battery is really better in this one. It's really improved every year. Every new phones, they're increasing the battery timing and the quality, and especially with these A series, they are increase the battery timing really good. So I'm sure you like this video, and I'm covered everything. So in my next video, I am going to move everything from my old phone to this new phone. So if you are planning to buy a phone or a Samsung phone or planning to change, so watch that video, so then you will clear your mind how you can move everything without losing a single data from your current phone or old phone to the new phone. So